Welcome back to part 2 of this project. The extension project is done. It's the Kikuyu 2-bedroom apartment extension project. My name is Nick Muema from Property Noma, and we have guests here on the channel, and they'll introduce themselves. Can start with you.
My name is David Wanjao from Kidfarmaco, Kikuyu.
Yes. So Mr. David Wanjao is the client, is the one behind this project.
I am QS Fidelis Maiba. I am a construction project manager and a quantity surveyor. Yes.
I am Felicita Gikonyo. I am a professional realtor and also a project manager.
Mr. Wanjao, thanks for welcoming us back to your finished project. How does it feel to realize your projects? Because they're actually in two parts. You have the renovation part and the extension part. So how do you feel achieving those two goals?
I feel great and I'm actually satisfied with the work that has been done. Okay, there were issues here and there, but the good thing is the contractor came always and resolved them. And finally, we are waiting for clients and we are happy.
Yeah. Seeing that you have painted the front face, no one can really know if you used precast panels. What do you feel about that?
I think the whole idea was so that now the whole house would look uniform, because below the extension there were building stones. So we had to paint it in such a way that you do not know whether it is precast or it is the stone walls. And it came out neatly, I would say.
Yeah. Yeah, because for me, I was here when it was all precast and a lot of construction was going on. So coming back to see the finished house, it's a big change for me. And I wouldn't, if I were a person who doesn't know construction, I wouldn't know if you used precast. Yeah, because of how the painting that has been done, it's very neat. Yeah. And for Fidel and Mrs. Maiba, how do you feel handing over the project to them?
We are very much okay. The project has taken some time because of there are some areas that were precast and there are some areas that were the normal plaster works. So we have taken quite a long time, but it is okay. We have been able to do all the snags, as Mzee is saying, Mr. Wanjao. We have done a lot of snag lists. We have ensured the house is perfectly. Now we are very happy to hand over a very, really beautiful project. Yeah.
So for Feli, what are the features of this house? The square meters and things like that.
Okay. The house is about 60 square meters. It's a 2-bedroom house with an open kitchen and a very big living area, ready for occupation.
Yeah.
Ready, beautiful, and quite big compared to the normal traditional methods of the brick and mortar. It's quite big, so it's quite spacious and very beautiful. Karibuni sana. For those who are looking for spaces to rent out, it is readily available. Mr. Anjo is a wonderful client, so I know he'll be a wonderful landlord. Yes, in Kikuyu, Kidfarmaco.
To reach this point, was it within your budget?
Yes, it was within the budget.
Yeah.
Although there were other issues that came up here and there that maybe we didn't budget for, but I would say it is
within the budget.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you in a position to say how much it has cost up to this point?
Plus the renovation below, it has come to around 2.3.
2.3.
Yes.
Okay. And for the precast alone, for the 2-bedroom?
Okay, I have not done the math, so I may not really be able.
Around 1.8, less than 2 million for the finishing parts. But now excluding the water tanks that he has bought and some other things that came about. But the BQ, it was comprising of the whole house. What was not there is the cabinets and the water tanks. So maybe that's why it's coming to around 2.3, but the house was around 1.8.
Okay.
Yeah.
The 1.8 is for the construction plus the finishes.
Yeah, plus the finishes up to how you're seeing the house. It was around that budget.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why did the project take a bit longer after setting up the panels?
Okay, the time you had come, we were on our second week, and we had already finished even the roofing. But there was some area that we were doing the normal casting and plaster works. So that time we had to wait for it to dry out so that we can be able to do the paint. We talked with Mr. Wanjao. There's no need of doing paint work on a wet surface. So we had to wait for it to dry out so that we can be able to do a good job, a long lasting paint work. So that's why we took some time. Now this is our second month, but it's okay. We are good to go now. The tenants will not complain that the paint is coming out. Yeah.
Okay. I hope that is clear, guys. It's mostly because of the plastering. We had to let it dry out for the painting to commence. Mr. Wanja, we are about to showcase your finished 2-bedroom rental unit. But first, I'd like to know where we are and what are the features of the tenants. What should they expect when they come to live here now?
Okay, we are in Kikuyu, Kidfarmaco estate. If you come to live in this area or in this compound, at least you have a serene environment. There is less disturbance because we are off the main road. It's our homestead, so and there are very few tenants, so very few noises that can disturb you. And we have plenty of space. We have all the parking you'd need for. We have a place where you can hold your event if you wanted, just outside here. It's only you have not cleared the building material, but soon, of course, they will be gone. Huh?
Yeah.
Water is not an issue, and the houses are spacious,
Yes.
I would say. Yeah.
Yeah. Because they are on 3 floors, how many units are remaining to be rented out?
There are two-bedroom house.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the one on the first floor and the one on the second floor.
Okay.
The below is a 1-bedroom which is already occupied.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So this is also a feature. Someone
Yeah, when
they
you
can
come,
they can
when you
come
come
and
from out, you can rest a bit as you decide to go into your house, or you check where your keys are.
yeah.
You can check your messages. You can come out at night. There are even fruit trees. You can just have them when they are ready.
Yeah. I like
Yes.
the greenery of the compound
Yeah.
and the trees.
Mm.
Yeah. Coming here, this is the security gate now.
Yes, so this is the security gate to the entrance. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so it ensures that whoever is inside, unless he get access from elsewhere, this is the main entrance, which is lockable, and every tenant have a key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is the landing area for that leads into the house, the precast panel house, the
Yes.
2-bedroom one.
Yeah.
This is where the extension happened.
Yeah. From
Yeah.
here.
So here we have the grills
Yeah.
for security
For
now
security. Yeah.
and for safety for
For
children.
safety also.
Okay.
Yeah.
The main door.
The main door to the precast house.
Did you actually choose the design?
Kind of. Yeah. Together with the contractor.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can show us the unit now.
Yeah. So this is the living room.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, you can see it's quite spacious.
Yes.
You have a nice view from very big windows.
Yeah, I
Very
like the window pane design. It's you wanted the single panel,
Yeah.
the big window,
Yeah, the big
instead of the
windows.
small ones.
Yeah, instead of the small one. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. And it is an open kitchen. So the kitchen is here.
Yeah.
Okay, there's still some work to be done. The cabinet, there will be some cabinet here.
Okay.
And also below this table.
Yeah.
There will also be some cabinets which are on the other side. Eh? Okay, yeah.
And also maybe the curtain rods.
The curtain rods, yeah, we are going to fix them. They are ready. It's just a matter of fixing. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes.
I like the spaciousness of it because this is can be the sitting area.
Yeah.
This can be like a small dining.
Yes.
And the kitchen now.
And the kitchen, yes.
Yes. And there's a balcony at the back.
There is a balcony at the back where one can hang his or her clothes.
Yeah.
Yes, and you can do
Can also put a washing
Yeah,
machine.
you can have your washing machine here. There is a tap. There is power.
Yeah.
And then you can hang your clothes here.
Yes.
You can rest here if you just want a peaceful space. Yeah, at
Okay.
night or even during the day.
Yeah.
Yes.
As a landlord, is there a big demand for 2 bedrooms in Kikuyu?
Yes, it is
Okay.
there.
You
It
saw
is
the
there.
need for that.
Yeah. So 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, they are in demand.
In demand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially people with those with small families.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. But they're getting a modern house, you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
with modern finishes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now
So
this.
yeah. So this is a common bathroom, very spacious.
Indeed.
It is very spacious. So the doors are waterproof for the bathroom. Nice handles. Yes.
These are waterproof doors, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because of the bathroom.
Yes.
And it is very spacious.
Yeah.
So the bathroom, one can take a shower there. The toilet. There is a basin here. Yeah.
Okay. And this is now.
Now this is one of the second bedroom.
Okay.
Very spacious also. You can have at least 2 beds, big beds.
Here.
One here, another one here.
And a smaller.
The wardrobe is going to be there. This could be very ideal for kids.
Yes.
Yes, and you have a nice view of Nairobi when you are here.
You can see Nairobi now.
Yes, a very nice view of Nairobi.
Yeah.
The skyline of Nairobi, actually. Yeah.
Okay. The wardrobes will be done later on.
They are being done, actually.
Oh,
they are being done. You can see work has already started.
Yeah.
Yeah, so within the next 2 days, I think it will be complete.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you're now left with the master.
Yeah, so this is the entrance to the master bedroom.
It's a big one.
Spacious also.
Yes.
Very spacious.
For a rental unit, it's spacious.
The wardrobe will be there.
On that wall, eh?
Yeah, you can see the material is already down here.
Okay.
Ready for just construction.
Yes.
This master bedroom is also en suite.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the washroom area. Okay, so it has a bathroom and also it has a toilet
Yeah.
and a basin. And very spacious.
Yeah, I like how you separated the washing, the WC from the shower. So there's that separation.
Yeah.
Okay. So any last words you have for people who would like to build something similar, like rental units with precast panels? What can you tell to those prospective landlords?
Okay, so they should not fear. All what you need is a good and reliable contractor, and the work will come out neatly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and as you heard from the contractor, mine took a bit of time just because of we were constructing 2 balconies,
Yes.
and then the staircase was not complete, so that's why it took time. Not even to construct, but we had to give it time for it to dry up so that now we could paint the house.
Yeah. Also like the paint you chose for the exterior, the grayish and blue.
Okay. Yeah. So this is even the inside here, the paints and even the design. I think my daughter came up with it. So she's the one who said, we'll paint this, we'll have this door.
Okay.
And I think they merged well.
Yeah, they merged well.
Yeah. Even the tiles.
Yes.
She's the one who did the selection.
Yeah, because also the tiles, the floor tiles, they match the one on the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah. The wall tiles and also the countertop tiles.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, if you're in Kikuyu and you're looking for a 2-bedroom house, so this is done. You can come and visit. But come soon because I know it can be gone within a week.
Yeah.
Because of the demand. Yeah. You've seen the spaces, so come and see for yourself. This is also a good example of a finished precast panel house. So can come and see how it looks like if you're nearby. Yeah.
You are welcome, all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so on behalf of Mr. Wanjao, I'd like to thank you for watching this video up to this point. You can subscribe and share this video widely so that it can reach others who would like to do something similar. So thanks for watching. We shall see you in the next project.